Hey, what's up community? What's up YouTube? Today is a very special episode for me. It's my first unboxing video. I just bought from Amazon my first light setup. It just arrived, took only 2 days. So let's do the unboxing and see what's inside. Let's do this.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
This is the box with the Amazon logo. This is not a sponsored video, actually I paid for this. 120 euros. I'm wondering about the quality of the stuff. Raleno. I will show you this in a minute. So everything out. Let's check this out. This is where the money is. Raleno. It's okay. Here they are, guys. The LED panels. Actually, it's all plastic. Built material. You can tell that it's cheap. This have their own internal batteries, which is good. That's why I actually chose these guys. Because most of them you have like external batteries. When you buy that type of light panels, then you will spend more money to buy the batteries. It tells you the intensity and the color temperature. And look at this. This is just like 2%. Actually, it's pretty soft light. It doesn't build you a lot of shadows. You have the diffuser here. This is like a built-in diffuser. I am impressed. This is the second one, so it comes two in this package. The shoe, where you can actually tilt when you mount, this is good. The power supply, and now the stand. This is plastic. The professional ones, this doesn't happen. And this is a reflector. I recommend everyone to have one of these. There's another amazing thing. What comes inside is a silk. A giant diffuser. And if we turn this around, we have a gold one. Now this is the trick, let's see. This actually might be a tutorial for you guys. And this is a Neewer stand. I can already tell. It has a better quality than the stands that come with the lights. Even to open, pretty good, pretty good. This is what, you see what I was saying about the other stand? This has like a spring here inside. This actually is a good stand. All come with the protections for the screws. Don't lose these caps. And that's the thing. Yeah! You don't need an assistant to hold the reflector for you. So, conclusion, light panels are amazing, pretty soft light, really, really good. Quality of the stands, not as good, but who cares? Reflector, amazing. I hope you enjoyed my first unboxing video and hope to see you again in Pedro, How to Do It.
Relax and enjoy.